Hi, my name is Robin, and I want to walk you through what I love about the Harris brand Diatomaceous Earth with its own little powder duster. So here it is in action in my garden. I was having a real problem with roly-polies and squash bugs eating the roots of my plants, and so I used this diatomaceous earth and this duster to go ahead and put that at the base of each plant. I have found that this works great and keeps my garden happy and not inundated with bugs. I've also used the diatomaceous earth around my house for bug control. So right here you can see me very poorly using the duster with one hand. So you have a little more control with two hands. But I have sort of an ant path right here outside of my home, and so I'm putting it there, and that has taken care of so much of my ant problem to go outside and find the source. The diatomaceous earth makes a wonderful physical barrier to discourage bugs from getting where you don't want them. So here I had some bees living under my shed, and now I've sprayed that and they really aren't coming back. I love it, and I love the duster that comes with this food grade diatomaceous earth by Harris, and I totally recommend it. Thanks.